Solar System. Welcome back, space enthusiasts! Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey through our solar system, exploring the wonders and mysteries of each planet. Join me as we take a virtual tour from the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune. Buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Host, our journey begins with the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. This rocky planet experiences extreme temperatures, with scorching hot days and freezing cold nights. Did you know that Mercury has a crater named after the famous artist, Vincent van Gogh? Its surface is covered in craters due to its lack of atmosphere. Next up, we have Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. We'll explore the stunning Venusian clouds and learn about the challenges of studying this planet due to its harsh conditions. Now, let's venture towards Earth, our beautiful home. We'll discover how our planet supports life and marvel at its diverse ecosystems. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, Earth truly is a remarkable place. Moving farther out, we arrive at Mars, the red planet. Mars has always captured our imagination with its potential for harboring life. We'll discuss past and future missions to Mars and the search for signs of microbial life on this barren yet captivating planet. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, welcomes us with its mesmerizing bands of clouds and the iconic Great Red Spot. We'll delve into the gas giant's immense size, powerful storms, and fascinating collection of moons, including the 4 Galilean moons discovered by Galileo Galilei. Our next stop is Saturn, famous for its magnificent rings. We'll explore the composition and origin of these dazzling rings, and discover some of Saturn's intriguing moons, such as Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and even lakes of liquid methane. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, awaits our arrival. We'll learn about its unique sideways rotation and its icy composition. Despite being faintly visible from Earth, Uranus holds secrets yet to be fully uncovered. Lastly, we reach Neptune, the farthest known planet in our solar system. Neptune's striking blue color and violent storms make it a captivating destination. We'll explore the planet's fascinating weather patterns and its collection of moons, including Triton, which has a backward orbit. As we conclude our epic journey through the solar system, we reflect on the marvels we've encountered. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the frigid realms of Neptune, each planet has its own unique characteristics that continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Join me next time as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, exploring distant galaxies, black holes, and the potential for life beyond our solar system. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and never stop dreaming of the wonders that await us. Thank you for joining me on this incredible voyage through our solar system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this.